It has been a delicate dance from the beginning for John Roberts and Donald J. Trump, currently two of the most powerful men in the United States of America. The 47th President of the United States criticized Roberts' integrity in 2015, calling him disgraceful and disappointing, and later an absolute disaster, then in 2015 for having previously upheld the Affordable Care Act, the Obamacare law that Trump later attempted to repeal. Roberts, a mysterious conservative Supreme Court justice from the U.S. Midwest, swore in Trump, a brazen New York City businessman turned politician, as president a little over a year later on the steps of the U.S. Capitol Hill. Since then, their relationship has remained complex, characterized by both painful setbacks and spectacular legal victories for President Trump. It has also been dotted with confrontations as Trump broke with convention by enforcing his policies with little resistance, even from the Judiciary, the co-equal branch of government that Roberts leads. In a rare public comment on Tuesday, Roberts chastised the Republican president for calling for the impeachment of a federal judge in Washington who criticized the administration's tactics in a case involving the legality of deportation flights, escalating tensions once again. For more than 2 centuries, Roberts stated, it has been established that impeachment is not an appropriate response to disagreement concerning a judicial decision. Roberts finds himself in a tough position after reprimanding Trump. Roberts is viewed as a staunch conservative but is also worried about the Supreme Court's institutional integrity and image. It comes as the court prepares for the deluge of legal challenges to Trump's numerous executive acts and has received harsh condemnation from Trump's supporters. I suspect Roberts has a certain measure of contempt for Trump and the way he treats judges, said Supreme Court history Richard Friedman, a law professor at the University of Michigan. Roberts is an establishment Republican, but I think he's horrified. Aziz Huq, a constitutional law specialist at the University of Chicago, says that although Roberts and Trump frequently have similar legal and substantive objectives, there are also growing differences.